Guys, there we have a OPPO A57s, and today I will show you how you can send fax messages from this device. So you have to start from the downloading a fax app. You will find a lot of it in the Google Store, but I chose that one. Now we have to open it. Add a permission, click allow, and now by this little icon you can send your fax from your gallery, downloaded files, or just take a photo. I will take a photo of my document. Now just adjust the shape, and if your document is ready, click here. Now choose the filter, and click OK. Now just type the number, and if you want, small note. By this little plus you can add any other file, and if you want to send it, click here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, and goodbye.